It's Saturday, September 9th, 2017. It is 7:36 p.m. and we're on the beach in Brookings, Oregon. That's the Pacific Ocean to the right there. I know, I took a look there. What we're videoing is the driftwood. This is pretty far away from the beach, and these things like ocean liner sized driftwood. Telephone pole size, monstrous logs. And as we'll turn a little bit here to the right, this guy, we'll get a picture close up with a human tomorrow. This is huge, it's massive. As you can see on the left hand side, somebody had a fire.
Yeah, I took a nap.
All right, so hold on, here's a guy walking by this thing.
I took a nap with wet pads on. Before yet, they didn't dry.
Patsy was out in this ocean. This ocean is Pacific. It's pretty big, but it's not passive. Listen to it. Let's see the internet guy walking. There we go.
There's people still frolicking in the ocean.
People still frolicking in the ocean, you see them? Down around the corner. So we came for the sunset. It was a beautiful day. And it's 70 pretty much all day long.
I'm going out there.
I'm going. And we missed it by about a half hour. This is unreal. It was gorgeous from our campsite, Driftwood RV Park in Brookings, Oregon, site 17. All right, hold on, I'm gonna follow her out there. I'm gonna put this one down for a while. Come on. Where's she at? There she is. All right, that's it for this one.